This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. An intense lake effect snow band will affect northeastern Huron, Erie, Geauga, Cuyahoga, Lake, northern Lorain, Ashtabula, Erie, and northwestern Crawford counties until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated an intense lake effect snow band along a line extending from near Findlay Lake to near Chardon to 6 miles east of Sandusky, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include visibility rapidly dropping to less than a quarter of a mile. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Erie, Lorain, Elyria, Painesville, Ashtabula, Willowick, Conneaut, Western Vermilion, Chardon, Fairport Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, and Westlake. Use extra caution if you must travel into or through this lake effect snowband. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads are likely to lead to accidents. Consider delaying travel until this snow band passes your location.